In this video, I will talk about the topic, my family. Listen carefully because later I will ask you some questions to see if you understood everything. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello everyone, my name is Anna. I'm very happy to share my family story with you today. I come from a small and loving family, and I want to tell you all about them. I live with 4 people: my father, my mother, my older sister, and my younger brother. My father's name is Mark. He is a doctor. Every day he works in a busy hospital and helps many people feel better. I admire him because he is very kind and always takes care of others. My father loves his job and he often tells me stories about how he helps his patients. My mother's name is Linda. She is a teacher. She works in a local school where she teaches young children. My mother is very patient and friendly. She enjoys reading and writing, and she always helps me with my homework when I study in the evening. I feel very lucky to have such a caring and smart mother. I also have an older sister. Her name is Emily. Emily is a high school student. She studies hard and loves art. In her free time, she likes to draw and paint. Sometimes she shows me her beautiful pictures, and I feel very proud of her. Emily is very supportive, and she always encourages me to try new things. My younger brother is Tom. He is 8 years old and full of energy. Tom loves playing with his toys and riding his bicycle in the park. He is always laughing and making everyone smile. Even though he is younger, he is very curious and loves to ask questions about everything he sees. Every morning, our family eats breakfast together. We sit at the table and talk about our plans for the day. After breakfast, my father leaves for the hospital. My mother goes to school, and my sister and I get ready for our studies. In the afternoon, we sometimes meet at home and share our experiences. In the evening, we have dinner together and enjoy simple, happy moments. On weekends, we like to spend time together outdoor. We go for walks in the park and visit local markets or sometimes watch a movie together at home. These moments make me feel very happy and connected with my family. Thank you for listening to my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed learning about each member and their daily lives. I love my family and I am grateful for every day we spend together. Now let's check your understanding. Who is Anna's father and what is his job? Her father is Mark, and he is a doctor. What does Anna's mother do? Her mother, Linda, is a teacher. What does Emily, Anna's sister, like to do in her free time? Emily likes to draw and paint. How old is Anna's younger brother, Tom? Tom is 8 years old. What does Anna's family like to do on weekends? They like to go for walks and watch movies together. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.